Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and install LUTs into CapCut PC. So just search up like LUTs on Google. I'm just going to choose this one and hopefully I can download the LUT. There's a lot on websites, so just search it up, and I am going to download one of these. If I can just find the link, it's a little bit, where is it? Oh, here. Okay, I have to insert my email for the LUT pack, and it's going to be in my emails. I'm going to then open the file, and I'm just going to select, this, and extract the file. And then you're just going to open CapCut. You're going to go to Adjustment, and you're going to go to LUT, and you're going to select Import. Then you're going to find the LUT that you want to import. I'm just going to choose this one. You can either choose the cube or the 3DL file. I'm just going to choose the cube file, and I'm just going to choose Open. And I'm just going to add it to the track, and this is what it will look like with the LUT. As you can see here, to import more, just select Import, go to the other like folders, hold on, here for instance, and just keep on adding as many like LUT packs as you want. You can also like adjust the strength here, but yeah, that is basically how you can download and import an LUT, like a LUT file in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!